Hello everyone, my name is Lombogia and I'm from 7A IBA. So now I'm going to explain about team building and effective communication. Team building is the process of creating a team that cohesively works together towards a common goal. The importance and main purpose of team building is to create a strong team through forming bonds and connections. Creating these bonds through team building is very beneficial to businesses and organizations. So here are here are the benefits of team building. The first one is increasing productivity. Team building can help a company increase its productivity by encouraging employees to work toward a common goal to reach objectives. The second one is encouraging creativity. Separating teams from their normal work setting can help them view common work situations differently and more creatively. The third one is enhancing communication. Team building can help groups understand each other better and create more open communication. The fourth one, improving morale. Since team building often involves games and fun activities, it can be an effective way to boost employee morale. Completing a fun task with coworkers can help employees identify the common goals they share with their colleagues. It can also create a positive work environment for employees and help them feel appreciated. The next one is building trust. If a company has newly created teams or departments that collaborate frequently, it may use team building to develop trust among coworkers. When working together on teamwork activities, employees may learn to depend on their peers. So here are tips to create successful team building. The first one is introduce reward and recognition. Employees are often hesitant to participate in team building activities. Introducing rewards and recognition into team building activities can significantly enhance their effectiveness. For example, incentivizing participation can encourage team members to participate actively and do their best. The second one is house activities during working hours. A lot of employees value their off hours and find it difficult to use their personal time. As such, if you plan to host any team building activity in your workplace, schedule it during work hours. You can put aside 1 or 2 hours for hosting team building exercises. The next one is focus on key areas development. One of your key objectives being creating team building activities should be addressing like areas where your workforce might not. This can be anything like lack of workplace communication, improper task allocation within themselves, neglecting new journers and their areas, regular time management, etc. Such problem is such problem restrain your teams from delivering their best performance. Usually, issues like these are overlooked when there's a large workforce. However, with time, these issues become major roadblocks. Organizing team activities frequently is a great opportunity to address such issues before they become problematic. The next one is set out the goals clearly. Communicating the goals of each activity to your employees before they start with their tasks and at hand is crucial. It is crucial. All the participating employees must know how the challenge they are given will help them. Once your employees know the end goal, they can collectively formulate a strategy. Further, it instills a sense of transparency amongst all the members, enhancing their team spirit. The next one, design it to be collaborative, not competitive. Creating team building activities aims to strengthen the team collaboration and give rise to and not give rise to internal competition. Team building isn't about making individuals work within their team and win it all. It is about fostering the ability of aduh, sepot. Team building isn't about making individuals work within their team and win it all. It is about fostering the ability of already defined teams to build a rapport within themselves and compensate for each other's strengths and weaknesses to create a productive work culture. Or the last one is shuffle team members often. Initially, when creating team building activities, you can let your employees decide on their teammates and divide them into small groups. You can keep the same arrangement for a few events, but eventually you must shuffle team members. Shuffling team members will have the employees get to know their peers from different departments and learn their way of work. So next one, we're gonna talk about effective communication. Effective communication is the process of exchanging ideas, thoughts, opinions, knowledge, and data so that the message is received and understood with clarity and purpose. When we communicate effectively, both the sender and receiver feel satisfied. Communication occurs in many forms, including verbal and non-verbal, written, visual, and listening. It can occur in person on the internet, on forums, social media, and websites, over the phone through apps, calls, and video, or by mail. For communication to be effective, it must be clear, correct, complete, concise, and compassionate. So the next one is benefits of effective communication. Effective communication provides a multitude of benefits in various aspects of life, both personally and professionally. There are some key advantages. The first one is improve relationships. Whether in personal or professional settings, effective communication is fundamental to building and maintaining positive relationships. It fosters understanding, trust, and mutual respect, leading to stronger connections with others. Hindi, sorry. Ito udah salah ko rin tadi. Eh, mau potong. The second one, increase productivity. Clear communication reduces. The second one, increase productivity. Clear communication reduces misunderstanding and minimizes the likelihood of errors or mistakes. This in turn enhances productivity as tasks and projects can be executed more efficiently when everyone involved has a clear understanding of expectations and requirements. The next one is conflict resolution. Effective communication is crucial for resolving conflicts. When individuals can express their concern, needs, and perspectives openly and respectfully, it becomes easier to find common ground, and reach resolutions that satisfy all parties involved. The next one, enhance teamwork. In professional settings, effective communication is essential for successful teamwork. Teams that communicate well can collaborate more efficiently, share ideas, and work towards common goals, leading to increased overall productivity and job satisfaction. Next one is innovation. Open and effective communication encourages the exchange of ideas and diverse perspectives. This diversity can lead to increased innovation as individuals bring different insights and experiences to the table, fostering creative problem solving. Next one. Next one, we're going to talk about tips to enhance effective communication. So the first one is be clear and concise. Clearly articulate your message using straightforward language. Avoid avoid unnecessary details and get to the point to maintain clarity. Know your audience. Understand the background, interests, and communication preferences of your audience. Adapt your message to resonate with the specific needs and expectations of your audience. Use active listening, pay attention to the speaker, and demonstrate that you are engaged. Ask clarifying questions and paraphrase to confirm your understanding. Next one, choose the right medium. Select the most appropriate communication channel. The example is email, in person, or phone, based on the nature of the message and the preferences of the recipient. Next one, be mindful of nonverbal communication. Pay attention to your body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice. Be aware of the nonverbal cues of others to better understand their feelings and reactions. Next one, encourage feedback. Encourage feedback from others to ensure mutual understanding. Be open to receiving constructive feedback and use it to improve your communication. Next one, be empathetic. Consider the feelings and perspectives of others. Communicate with empathy, showing that you understand and respect their point of view. So that's all for my explanation. Thank you.